Punta Faro sau il Faro sau Faro din Milazzo, pe Via Baronia. Via Baronia asta, cred că pe vremuri era ceva cu baroni. Trebuie, bă, realitatea este că locul are o încărcătură energetică spectaculoasă, adică îți dă o senzație de bine numai cât stai acolo un piculeț. Nu mai vorbim de faptul că dacă vrei să bei un limoncello acolo la o terasă, bă, oricum, spectaculoasă și marea, spectaculoasă și locația merită văzut. Adică, fără nicio discuție. Numai problema este că nu știu dacă are mijloace de transport în comun, când am văzut autobuze care să facă legătura cu zona asta, deci clar trebuie fie cu mașină închiriată, fie... Nu știu, ăștia nu prea le-au cu Uber-ul, cu Bolt-ul, taxiuri am văzut puține, nu știu care e treaba cu italienii. Cred că toți italienii au mașină și permis. Dar până una alta nu uita să dai like, share, subscribe și ce mai vrei.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
close in your arms, kiss me slow in the dark. Let's stop time, make it ours. Life's too short, let's leave a mark. We don't know how it goes, how the story unfolds. You said life is not what it seems. We could wake up like it's all just a dream. Tell me, baby, will you think about me when I'm gone? Fill my grave with roses, pretty words, and all